So now I just want to look at we're in the second normal form, and just want to look at the relationships. But so you can see why we need to do this. So I've got the existing tables up here. I've got menu and order, and I've got a customer and order. And what I want to look at is the relationship between the entities here. Okay. So what we want to do with the entities is to be able to describe a relationship between two entities. So obviously there must be a relationship, because I've got product code in this entity, and I've also got product code in this entity in order. So in menu, this product code is a primary key. In order, product code is the foreign key. Okay, so I want to be able to describe what the relationship between these two entities is. So the way I do that is I start writing a sentence. So what I want to be able to say, right, if I take one order, then how many products should be on that order? So if I took one order, I'm hopefully going to have more than one product on that order. So I've got product code here. So for one order, I should have lots of product codes. So in my sentence will be written like this. So one order can contain many products, and this one to many defines a relationship. So I've got here, so normally with a primary key to a foreign key, it will be one to many. So I've got one product code has got many, one order has got many product codes in it. Okay. And then what about the other way around? So if I started with a product, if I took a product, hopefully one product could appear in lots of different orders. So if I've got Greenhead College, I've got another college, I've got New College, I've got whatever school, North Huddersfield School. Okay, each of those, so every people in there can all order vegetable samosas. So the product code for vegetable samosas can appear on lots of different orders. Okay, so if I turn that sentence around, I will then say that one order, sorry, that's the wrong one, let's get the right one. One product can appear on many orders. Okay, that makes sense, doesn't it? That hopefully vegetable samosas can be ordered lots of times by different people. So there'll be different orders, so they'll be on there. Okay, so this is now what we call a many-to-many relationship. So it's one to many one way, and it's one to many the other way, so it's got to be many to many. Okay, and many to many are the ones that cause us problems, and we have to deal with those, and we'll look at how to deal with that in a minute. So let's look at between customer and order. So if I took a customer, hopefully I can say one customer can have many orders. Okay, so Greenhead College can order on one day, they can order on another day, they can order on another day, they can order on another day. Okay, so they can have more than one order. Now, if we turn it around the other way, if we took one order, that should only be for that one customer. Even though it's delivered to different places, one order is for one customer. So that then will be a one-to-many, because it's one-to-many one way, but it's one-to-one the other way. Okay, so that's how it should be. Now, what we can do, I'm on Lucid Charts, and I'm using the entity relationship diagram template, so I should be able to do that. Okay, so now because I'm in Lucid Charts, I can do these relationships through Lucid Charts, so I can actually draw a line to represent a relationship. So what I want to do is I want to say this is a many-to-many relationship, so I'm just going to grab the handles here and draw to there, but this is many-to-many. So I've got a one-to-many at the moment, so I want them both to be like that. So many-to-many is represented like this, where you've got here, I've got 3 lines on the many, and then I've got 3 lines for the many to that. So that shows a many-to-many relationship. Now the other way around, if I want to do one-to-many orders, so one customer, see if we can get this right, one customer, one company has got many orders. So there's a one-to-many relationship, and you can see there's a line for the one, and there's 3 lines for the many. So that's the relationships we've got at the moment. So the biggest problem we got is this one with menu and with order. and it's a many-to-many relationship. And you'll see how by looking at this in terms of the relationships, we can solve that second bullet point, remove subsets of data that apply to multiple roles of an entity and place them in separate entities. Okay, so we'll do that next.